Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can solve these difficult expression which is 7 divided by 7 1 over 2. So how can we solve? So firstly, if you have not subscribed my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel for more amazing video. So firstly we can change these mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 7 divided by 7 times 2 which is equal to 14, and 14 plus 1 which is equal to 15. So 15 divided by 2. Okay student, so we should all know about KCF, where K stand for keep, C stand for change, and F stand for flip. So we can write it as 7 times 2 divided by 15. Okay, so 7 times 2 which is 14. So 14 divided by 15. This is the final answer of this expression. Student, if you have any issue in this question, then kindly comment. I will reply your question.